Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update the Zoom app on your Android device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap on the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or app drawer. This will open up Google's official app marketplace where all your Android apps are managed and updated. Once the Play Store opens, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top of the screen. Tap on it to bring up your keyboard and get ready to search for the app you want to update. Now type in Zoom Workplace into the search bar. This is the official name of the Zoom app on the Google Play Store, so make sure you're searching for the correct one to avoid downloading any unofficial versions. After you've searched, you'll see a list of results appear on your screen. Look through these results and tap on Zoom Workplace when you find it. This will take you directly to the app's dedicated page within the Play Store where you can manage everything related to the app. On the Zoom Workplace page, pay close attention to the button displayed below or beside the app name. If you see an update button, that means a newer version of Zoom is available for download. Go ahead and tap that update button to begin installing the latest version. This ensures you have access to the newest features, bug fixes, and security improvements that Zoom has released. However, if you only see an open button next to the Zoom Workplace name, that's actually good news. It means your installed version is already up to date through Google Play. There's no newer version available at the moment, so you're all set with the most current release. In this case, since the only button visible is open, your Zoom app is completely up to date and you don't need to take any further action. And that's it! You've successfully checked for updates and ensured your Zoom app is running the latest version available. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.